guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you want to learn how to do some M&M nails, then just keep watching the video. Okay guys, so the materials for this design are very basic, and they're going to be listed on the screen right in front of you in 3, 2, 1. Guys, so step 1 is very basic. We're going to paint each nail with the original M&M colors. So this nail is going to be yellow, blue, red, brown, and green. So let's just jump ahead and do that. Okay guys, so step 2 is to get your white nail polish and your little brush tool and paint an M on every single nail, just like M&Ms have. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and it is somewhat what yours should look like as well. And I just hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys learned from it as well. And please remember to go subscribe down below, and remember to like and share the video. And just thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.